All right, 19, let's simplify the cube root of negative 64, a to the 8th, b to the 5th. I'm going to split this up, definitely. The cube root of negative 64 times the cube root of a to the 8th times the cube root of b to the 5th. And deal with each of these separately. So is there a cube root of negative 64? Is there a number I can multiply by itself 3 times to get negative 64? I think if I multiply negative 4 times itself, negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. 16 times negative 4 is negative 64. Yep. So the cube root of negative 64 is just a whole number, negative 4. A to the 3/8 power, I can think about that as, let's do it on the side here. The cube root of a to the 8th. Let's change this radical form to a fractional exponent. A to the power over root. Numerator is the power, denominator is the root, right? Power over root. Now, how many times does 3 go into 8? Let's change this improper fraction to a mixed number. So we've got so 3 goes into 8 2 times, 6, and then there's a remainder of 2/3. So this is a to the 2 and 2/3. I'll do the same thing with the cube root of b to the 5th. That's b to the 5/3 power. 3 goes into 5 one time, and then there's a remainder of 2/3. So this is b to the 1 and 2/3. So 2 and 2/3 is 2 plus 2/3, which is the same as this, right? A to the 2nd times a to the 2/3. Add the exponents. That's the 2 plus 2/3. So I can think about this as a squared. And then this a to the 2/3 power, remember power over root, as the cube root of a squared. Root is 3, power is 2. Same here, b to the 1st times b to the 2/3, that's b squared, power, the root is 3. Everything that's outside a radical gets multiplied together, negative 4a squared b. Everything that's under the cube root gets multiplied together, a squared, b squared. Ta-da! Negative 4a squared b times the cube root of a squared, b squared. Simplified.